Java identifiers. So what is Java identifiers? In programming language, identifiers are used for identification purposes. In Java, an identifier can be a class name, method name, variable name or label. So we can say that an identifier is a name of a class, method, variable, constructor or label. Here is an example. Public class test, curly braces open, public static void main string args, curly braces open, int a is equals to 20, curly braces close. In the following statement, test is a name of a class, main is a name of a method, a is a name of a variable. In the above Java code, we have 5 identifiers, namely test, the class name, main, the method name, string, predefined class name, args, variable name, a, variable name. So, rules for writing Java identifiers. Hence, our Java community has made certain rules for writing the identifiers. Following are the rules are: the only allowed characters for identifiers are all alphanumeric characters, that is from capital A to capital Z, from small a to small z, from 0 to 9, $sign and underscore. For example, ABC@ is not a valid Java identifier as it contains special character. Identifier should not start with digits 0 to 9. For example, 123 ABCS is not a valid Java identifier. We should start the identifier name with alphabets, that is capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, $sign and underscore sign only. Java identifiers are case sensitive. Not only Java identifier, actually Java is a case sensitive programming language. So capital A is different than small a. There is no limit on the length of the identifier, but it is advisable to use an optimum length of 4 to 15 letters only. And hence we can't use any reserved words as an identifier, because reserved words are the keywords which have some specific meaning and we can't use it for our purpose. For example, int while is equals to 20. Here the variable name is while, which is a keyword, so we can't use here as a variable name. Here are the examples of some valid identifiers. My variable, x, underscore my variable, my variable, sum underscore of underscore array, x1, l1. So these are the rules and regulations for Java identifiers. Thank you.